Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how you can change your background with a video. Okay, so that's right. So let's begin. On the left side of the screen, search for site design right here. Click it and you want to tap on this button right here. It says customize. Just click it and then you will have some suggested images here right here, but our goal is to change our background with a video. So you can change it by clicking this button right here. It says video. Click it and then uh, okay, so uh, here is an existing video, but if you are going to upload a different video, so you just have to click this upload media button right here. So let me use this video for the sake of this tutorial. Okay, so click it and you can click this button right here to reflect on the page. Okay, so as you can see, it is not playing because we are currently in the editor, but if you click preview, you will see the video is playing. Okay, so just let it play. It may take some time to do. Okay, okay, let's do that again. Okay, one of the downsides of this Wix editor or of this Wix website is its responsiveness is not that good, but it can make professional websites. Okay, so let's click on preview again. Okay. Okay, so as you can see, the video is playing in the background. Okay, so if you find this video helpful, please click the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much.